Part freshness, softness, and static control has never been easier with the Bounce Dryer Bar. I just stick it to the inside of my dryer, and I never have to remember. You smell like pie.
Yeah, I do. Was that my left bicep? No, it was my ass.
Try this routine to feel fresh and clean. Pair Charmin Fresh Mates with your
That's right. Oh, Spice Buddies, break and change a regular smelling man into a man who smells like